Brittany with WTI, and there's nothing more relaxing than swinging in a hammock. So that's why I really like this Wise Owl portable hammock stand. Now, the reason why this is such a great thing to have is if you are a camper or you like being in the outdoors or just you want to relax at a park. It's very difficult to find trees close enough to tie a hammock on or that are strong enough to support the weight of someone swinging in a hammock. So that's why this is so nice. It comes with a carry case so that when you take apart this hammock stand, which is actually very easy to do, it's very straightforward, you can then just put it in the carry case and take it wherever you want to go. It is so nice. I can't wait to take it on my next camping trip. I actually just used it when we went to the park to play some volleyball. It was super easy to set up. The ends of the poles, it kind of looks like a slingshot style. And what's nice about that is that it allows the hammock to wrap over it to get to the hook, which is nice because that's what allows it to handle so much weight. The metal is so strong and sturdy. You're not going to worry about it denting. It's not going to rust. It's not going to peel. It is such a well-made item and I love it. And I think you're going to love it too. But that's my point of view.